guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now, a topic I really want to talk to you about today is an incredible platform. You can tell from the title, we're going to be talking about TikTok. Especially in the last year and a half, has been a game changer when it comes to a social media platform and how it can really shape culture, shape our decision making, where we consume our content, our time, our life, our music taste, our dance abilities. It literally has had the power to transform the globe, and I'm really excited to talk to you about this platform today and why it's really beneficial for your business.
Hey guys, we're back shooting some teaching tools, TikToks. We're going to be shooting 4 today. Our goal today is to focus on ones that have super quick transitions. So we've got a bunch of trending songs we're making TikToks for.
First of all is its screen time for its users. TikTok is something where it has, that average watch time being around 86 minutes per day, which is wild to kind of think about, and this is for Australia as well. That kind of competes in a bit of a different sphere. That's almost into like a Netflix show or a Netflix movie per day. So the power that TikTok really holds on its consumers to stay on the platform or continue to come back to the platform on its day is quite powerful in its own right.
Hey guys, so I'm just about to build a few TikTok ads for a few of our clients, and I thought I would show you how to boost a TikTok post. We've been using this strategy for a few of our clients and it's been super effective. It's essentially like boosting an Instagram or Facebook post within Facebook Ads Manager. So I'll show you how to do it. Open up the post that we want to boost. Select the 3 little dots, go down to the bottom and hit Add Settings. Then we're going to just click that little I have read and agreed the terms and conditions, flick the little toggle over to add authorization, hit OK, and then apply generate code. Hit 60 days because we want it to be authorized for as long as possible, and just copy the code. Now heading over to TikTok Ads Manager, so ads.tiktok.com, we're going to hit Assets and then click Creative. Over to Spark Ad Post. This is where we're going to apply for that authorization code. Paste that code that we just copied previously. Hit confirm, make sure that it is the display, and then it will be available in your assets for you to build out the campaign. So we've got one traffic campaign live at the moment, which is just the strategy for this particular client. We're going to hit that, click the ad group that we want to include it in. In this case, we've only got one. And then we are going to create post. Hit to Spark Ads. In this case, we're just going to change the name to something that resonates with the type of content we're popping on to this ad. Click post, TikTok post, and it should be, if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, your asset, your video that we just applied for authorization should be there. So you can click that. You won't be able to edit the caption. It will be exactly what the organic posted caption is. Call to action, we like to do shop now, depending on the industry and whatnot. And then in our case, we will get the URL that we want to send traffic to. We'll just paste that URL, and then we're just going to scroll down, make sure that you have got the TikTok pixel for Shopify selected for tracking, and then hit submit.
What I also love is that it's video. We know, and you guys watching this video right now will know that video is uber engaging and can be something that can educate, inspire, entertain in seconds. And that's something else, is that the way that the platform operates and really favors content is if it's really enticing in the first couple of seconds. The biggest thing for our clients has been the crazy sporadic growth. We've had a client of ours start at around 2,000 followers and make their way to achieve over 40,000 followers in the space of 5 to 6 weeks, which is just wild and crazy, and with millions of views, thousands upon thousands of comments.
Hey guys, we are shooting TikTok again today. We're in the backyard. We've set up our little space. We are filming for a really exciting new client, an accessories brand. The sun's setting, so we've got our light set up out here. Better get back to it.
For us, we are doing TikTok content creation for a number of brands. And what we're finding is beyond, the still images or maybe a couple of like easygoing like video shots, we've now been able to really transform that brand's identity and its image to captivate its audience through video content. So whether it's quick videos that are very, in amongst the trends, or whether it's ones that actually make them, really stand out in their own unique way, we're finding that video content is the future. TikTok content, when it comes to like marketing and like the cost per clicks and its impact, is the future. And I guess just the way that we're all leaning to consuming, TikTok is a huge part of what the future will continue to be.
Hey guys, Gabby from Vonnie Media here. Hope you're all well. I'm going to be taking you through TikTok ads this morning, benefits of running TikTok ads for your business, so stay tuned.
Okay, so we're going to jump in, create a new campaign, and we're going to click for a traffic optimization, name our campaign, move into our ad group. We're just going to do Australian broad targeting. So as you can see, I'll just choose a pixel, make sure I select TikTok as a placement. Turn off those video downloads because we don't want other creators downloading our creative, just for copyright safety. You see, I keep everything really, really broad. I'm not going to select any interests or anything like that, just so the machine can fully go in and learn. Moving on to our ad creative. So I'm going to upload 3 creatives that we actually already have in our library, so we don't actually need to upload them. You actually have to enter in your display name and your business image, which is quite frustrating, but TikTok isn't as advanced as Facebook at the moment. Adding a few more primary texts here, a few more call to actions, and our tracking link, and then there we go.
I hope that inspires you. I know it's just sort of like a lot of TikTok, but I guess just wanted to put it out there that I'm really backing this platform and I really see its value. So yes, that's my 2 cents. Now I want to hear yours. If you're watching this video and you've experienced TikTok, or if you just want to say like what you love about it and why you are on the platform. Are you someone who's never been on the platform? Are you brand new to hearing about what TikTok's kind of power is when it comes to marketing? Then I would love to hear from you too. So do leave a comment down below. I hope you guys have liked this video as well. If you have, remember to give it a thumbs up. It really supports our channel and lets you know that you're enjoying these types of videos. Also remember to subscribe if you haven't yet, because that really supports our channel as well and you don't miss out on any new videos. Hope you guys have an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video on this channel. Bye.